Hey everybody, it's Brent again. Another thing that people have struggled with at times is the different types of muscle contraction. And this is something that's stuck with them way beyond this class and into other classes as well. Um, Muscle activation or muscle contraction, there are actually five, I believe, different types, but the main three are the ones we're going to look at real quick today. Muscle activation is just muscle movement or um, firing of those muscles when those muscles start to move and or act in any way at all. So the most obvious and well-known kind, and I'm going to stand up here, um, is what's known as a concentric contraction. It's what you see people doing in the gym, or hopefully you've done in the gym, and I need to do more of in the gym. And that's just bringing the weight up towards your body. So my biceps here is getting shorter as I bring that up. It's concentric contraction. The length of the muscle gets smaller. Okay. So the next type is known as isometric. So if I were to just hold this, okay, the length of the muscle, let me see if I can get it to where you can see a little bit better, isn't changing. My biceps is staying the same length, but it is having to fire, okay, in order to hold this weight in the same position, and eventually my arm would fatigue and tire. Um, so my muscle is still activating, it's still firing, it's just not actively moving. So this is isometric, iso meaning the same, metric meaning length. It's staying the same length. And then the final is what's known as an eccentric type of activation or contraction. So if I start with the weight already up here by me and I go really, really, really slowly, my biceps is still having to activate to keep it from just dropping really slow. So that's an eccentric contraction. It means that um, the muscle contracts and activates even as it gets longer. Okay, so it's here. I go really, really slow to keep it from falling, and my biceps is still having to activate, and you can even see it shaking um, to keep it from falling and to extend it slowly. And that's an eccentric contraction. The muscle activates as it gets longer. So hope that helps, and I'll talk to you later.